From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Bradley's forecast.
Well, hopefully you found some way to enjoy the beautiful weather out there today. Maybe taking the lunch outside. Seasonable temperatures, mid to upper 70s this afternoon. And we're going to stay very comfortable through this evening and overnight tonight. And tomorrow, a little bit more cloud cover. We'll introduce isolated rain chances. And then for the rest of the week, we are looking at above normal temperatures. The humidity is going to start to return as well. So we'll take a look at the extended forecast in just a second. But first, satellite radar composite. And again, our beautiful weather being driven by this area of high pressure sitting pretty much overhead. Again, lots of sunshine today, very light winds. Now this high is going to start to push off to the east beginning tonight, really throughout the day tomorrow. So we'll see that return flow out of the Gulf of Mexico tomorrow afternoon. Notice the cloud cover, even some shower activity here into Texas. That is a weak impulse in the upper levels, and that is going to be pushing eastward through the area tomorrow. So at the very least, we are looking at increased cloud cover. And again, can't totally rule out one or two isolated light showers. Still somewhat debatable if a lot of that precipitation would actually reach the ground, simply because we're going to have a lack of low-level moisture. But here's how it plays out with the graph model. Again, there goes the high off to our east. Still cool tonight, lower 50s, but notice the cloud cover kind of spilling over into the region tomorrow. So it is going to be a mostly cloudy afternoon. Still seasonable temperatures, mid to upper 70s for those highs. And again, your rain chances will sit at around 20%. Now, even milder tomorrow night, Wednesday morning, with the southerly winds continuing. Most of us in the upper 50s to lower 60s. Wednesday won't be too terribly bad. We'll get back to partly cloudy skies. Warmer conditions, lower 80s into the afternoon, and somewhat breezy. Those southeasterly winds will kick in at around 15 to 20. Gusts at times could even be a little bit higher than that, and rain chances will be down to 10% Wednesday into Thursday. Now, as far as our temperatures tonight, again, still very cool and comfortable out there. Upper 40s to lower 50s there for northern Acadiana. We'll be in the lower 50s here along the I-10 corridor, and should see similar numbers there across the coastal parishes. After that cool start, again, tomorrow afternoon, we will get back to seasonable temperatures, mid to upper 70s, as we start to favor more of a partly to mostly cloudy sky into the afternoon. Notice milder tomorrow night, Wednesday morning. Upper 50s to lower 60s, and then most of us pushing the lower 80s come Wednesday afternoon under partly cloudy skies. So again, the winds out there today pretty light and variable thanks to that high pressure, but as it starts to shuttle its way off to the east tomorrow, it will get somewhat breezier with those southerly winds coming back into the picture at around 10 to 15 tomorrow, and that's going to start the process of drawing in some Gulf moisture. Still, the humidity won't be too terribly bad tomorrow, but it is going to be more noticeable as we head into Wednesday, as those southerly winds continue at around, by then, 15 to 20 miles per hour. If you are heading out tonight, again, pretty comfortable, currently in the 70s. Eventually, we'll drop through the 60s. We'll bottom out somewhere in the lower 50s for most of us first thing tomorrow morning. And then for our Tuesday, 77 is the projected high temperature. We'll start out partly cloudy, but that will give way to more cloud cover into the afternoon. An isolated stray shower possible, again, with that upper level disturbance kind of lurking around, but rain chances no better than 20%. South to southeasterly winds will be back again at around 10 to 15 miles per hour. The humidity returns Wednesday into Thursday. We're warmer as well, lower 80s. The next best chance of rain is going to arrive on Friday. Timing still a little bit up in the air, but right now it looks like the second half of Friday, perhaps going into Friday night, as a cold front is going to be working in. And then hopefully pushes out in time for Saturday. Model is a little bit more optimistic today that it's actually going to push far enough to our south. So that would actually set up a pretty nice and cooler Saturday afternoon and Sunday, with high temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s, and overnight lows could be back down into the upper 40s to lower 50s. So that would be nice for sure. And of course today, guys, beautiful weather. Started out kind of chilly this morning, upper 40s. And then again, topping out mid to upper 70s this afternoon, but slowly warming up later this week. So pretty changeable weather pattern, pretty typical for this
I was getting the kids ready for school this morning, and I put away all the fall things.
Yeah.
And we were struggling, not only because it's the first day back from spring break, but also because nobody had a jacket or sweater or anything to throw on the way out the door. Whoops.
We're kind of, once spring break comes and Easter comes, it's like we start looking forward to summer.
Yeah.
But winter behind us.
Yep.
Coming. All right.
That's right.
Thanks, Bradley.